What is botanical name of Palash tree? Options: Ficus religiosa, Butea monosperma, Rubia cordifolia, Cynodon dactylion. You have 5 seconds. Please answer. Let's see the correct answer. Ficus religiosa is wrong answer. Butea monosperma is correct answer. So Rubia cordifolia is wrong answer. Cynodon dactylion is wrong answer. Let's see explanation. In India, Butea monosperma is known as Palash tree. Ficus religiosa is known as people tree. Rubia cordifolia is nothing but common madar. Cynodon dactylion is known as dub grass. Pulses related question. Let's see. Pulses are good source of options: carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins. You have 5 seconds. Please answer. Let's see the correct answer. Carbohydrate is wrong answer. Fats wrong answer. Proteins correct answer. Pulses are good source of proteins. Vitamins wrong answer. So pulses are great source of protein in the vegetarian meal. In non-vegetarian meal, we get proteins from egg, meat, but in vegetarian meal, main source of protein pulses, and in non-vegetarian meal, eggs and meat are great sources of protein. Father of Indian Botany. Who is known as Father of Indian Botany? Options: Robert Kidd, Cristobal Acosta, Stephen Hales, William Roxburgh. You have 5 seconds. Please answer. Let's see the correct answer. Robert Kidd, wrong answer. Cristobal Acosta, wrong answer. Stephen Hales, wrong answer. William Roxburgh, correct answer. Explanation we will see. William Roxburgh, he was surgeon and botanist. He is known as Father of Indian Botany because he worked extensively in India on economic botany. He worked on the plants related to economic botany, and he described different species because he worked mainly in India and in the field of botany. That's why he is known as Father of Indian Botany. Father of Indian Phycology, or who is known as Father of Indian Algology. Phycology and algology are same, both are same. So study of algae is known as algology or phycology. So who is known as Father of Indian Algology? Options: M.O.P. Iyengar, S.R. Kashyap, Birbal Sahni, M.S. Swaminathan. You have 5 seconds. Please answer. Let's see the correct answer. M.O.P. Iyengar is the correct answer. Rest 3 answers are wrong. You remember only Iyengar. So Iyengar is a botanist and phycologist who worked on Indian algae. This is the reason he is known as Father of Indian Phycology or Father of Algology in India.